Hello everyone. Today we will write exclamation. Exclamation are the words which show sudden emotions. In this video, we will write some exclamation words, their pronunciation and meaning. 1. MARVELLOUS. Marvelous, meaning wah wah. Point 2. WELLDONE. Well done, meaning shabash. Point 3. BEAUTIFUL. Beautiful, meaning ati sundar. Point 4. HEY, meaning array. Point 5. WOW, wow, meaning wow. Point 6. MY/OH, GOD, my/O, God, meaning hey Ram. Point 7. WONDERFUL. Wonderful, meaning आपने तो कमाल कर दिया. Point 8. OFCOURSE. Of course, meaning बेशक. Point 9. BYGOD'Grace. By God, grace, meaning ईश्वर की कृपा से. Point 10. GODHEAVENS. Good heavens, meaning प्रभु मेरे आश्चर्य से. Point 11. HOWTERRIBLE. How terrible, meaning कितनी बुरी बात. Point 12. OHDEAR. Oh dear, meaning प्यारे. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.